Hello, my name is Elvira with the metric number 63178. Our group will be presenting about the Toyota Motor Corporation. Our group consists of 5 members, which are Priscilla, Monica, Nurul, Adiana, and me. I am going to talk about the company's background. The Toyota Motor Corporation is a Japanese multinational automotive manufacturer headquartered in Toyota Aichi, Japan. It is one of the world's most well-known and profitable corporations, producing automobiles and trucks in 28 countries for sale in more than 170 nations. Toyota's success is based on innovation, both in terms of products and manufacturing techniques. Moving into the 21st century, it has shifted its focus from vehicle manufacturing to mobility and how it might create strategies to provide people the freedom to move, whether on the road, on the sidewalk, or simply around the room. Toyota has created a line of support robots for use in hospitals and at home that can assist disabled individuals and those recuperating from injuries in living independently. In 2020, Corolla, GR Supra, and CHR were praised by automobile customers and motoring critics. The Toyota Approach City has been nominated Compact Van of the Year at the prestigious What Van Awards, which were unveiled during a virtual event on December 9, 2020. Next, the new Toyota Yaris received its first major UK award, being voted the most affordable hybrid car of the year in the Auto Express New Car Awards. Other than that, the fourth generation Prius has been named as the best used hybrid car for the second year in succession. That is all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nurul Hidayah. So I'm going to talk about the mission statement, vision statement, and Toyota values. For the mission statement, it is to make ever better cars to build a future where everyone has the freedom to move. While for the vision statement, Toyota will lead the future mobility society, enriching lives around the world with the safest and most responsible ways of moving people. Through our commitment to quality, ceaseless innovation, and respect for the planet, we strive to exceed expectations and be rewarded with a smile. We will meet challenging goals by engaging the talent and passion of people who believe there is always a better way. For the Toyota values, there are 5 of them. The first one is world-class production quality, and the second one is achieving the ultimate goal of complete customer satisfaction. Next one is being seen as the best employer, fostering the spirit of teamwork, and also inculcating ethical and honest practices.
My name is Adiana. I will explain the total quality management of Toyota. Toyota Total Quality Management approach focuses on the long-term excellence of a company by emphasizing customer satisfaction. Toyota has been able to achieve its current level of business excellence by focusing on customers. The company believes that the level of customer satisfaction for the products drive the company performance. As the result, the company has customer feedback center all over the world to learn about the concern of customers' needs. Toyota also emphasizes all aspects of production, which is decision making. The company applies a decision-making approach to develop proper feedback from the customer satisfaction. It ensures that the result is an outcome in the productions of the best quality product to meet the needs and demand of customers. Toyota Corporation also has a quality control system that is involved in determining quality policies, reviewing statistics, and establishing quality manuals. Next is I will explain the International Organizations for Standardizations ISO. The first ISO is to establish internal environmental infrastructure and strengthen audit capabilities. The ISO Environmental Management and Audit Working Group under the Product Environment Committee begin to investigate the environmental management system for product technology development. The comprehensive of this ISO conducted in 6 areas that have significant impact on the environment, such as fuel efficiencies, emissions, noise, coolant, substance of concerns, and recycling. The second ISO is an international standard for energy management system. It provides a framework for organizations to integrate energy management into their overall effort to improve quality environmental management. The purpose of adopting this ISO is to continuously improve energy performance by creating and operating an energy management system centered on plan, execute, checks, and add cycle. Next, move to the next part of Toyota Production System 6 Sigma. Toyota Production System helps Toyota to have a high-performance culture and allows employees to understand their full potentials. The existence of these systems is to give the high quality, low cost, and eliminate waste which result in shorter lead time. There are four strategies under Toyota Production System 6 Sigma. The first strategy is decrease setup times. This can be done by adopting handling processes, chart, and training personnel to do their own setup. The second strategy is to minimize productions. Under these strategies, Toyota minimized the production to cut down the cost of the setup and the time. By doing this, company could produce various things in smaller quantity. The third strategy is worker empowerment and involvement. Under this strategy, Toyota requires its employees to establish teams and provided them with a training and authorities to perform specific specialized tasks. The fourth strategy is dealer participation. As an integral part of Toyota production system, Toyota involved its dealers as company partner. The dealer also given acknowledgements about ways to minimize setup durations, effect inventories, and machine breakdown. The dealer also take responsibility to render their best possible outcome. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
My name is Monica Rimbu and I will explain about quality assurance, apprenticeship, and award. Toyota has a quality assurance team. The mission of the Toyota quality assurance team is to ensure that every vehicle that leaves the factory anywhere in the world meets the high standards for safety and quality. Quality assurance team leader and the team will make sure that they inspect each vehicle that comes off the line, ensuring the construction quality is correct and that all of the various functions work properly. There are many quality checks made in plants such as battery or ignition, brake system, engine, lighting, seat assembly, steering, transmission, and dynamic evaluation on the road. For apprenticeship, the apprenticeship is provided to assist a new generation with the skill for the business and industry in general. An Institution Development Center is established through collaboration with a local further education college. The young people and also their suppliers and other small medium-sized business in the local region. For the award, Toyota won 4 Assembly Plant Quality Award for producing vehicles with the fewest defects. In the Asia Pacific region, Toyota's Higashi Fuji plant in Japan, which produces the Lexus SC430, won the Silver Factory Award, and its plant in Georgetown, Kentucky, won the Silver Factory Quality Award. Other than that, Toyota also received 14 rounds of Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry Prize Award, 14 rounds of Agency for Natural Resources and Energy, Director General's Prize Award, and many either Technology Development Award or Technology Contribution Award, and so on. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Priscilla Anna Ambrose. I will present on the recommendation for Toyota. For the recommendations are coming from the weaknesses of the Toyota. For the weaknesses of the Toyota, first, in 2017, the products recall due to the airbag defect. This shows that Toyota was having a problem in terms of their safety. To overcome this problem to be happen once again in the future, we suggest that Toyota to improve the safety aspect of the automobile. What they can do is to create a new ISO specifically for safety and security check. Besides, they must get a safety certificate for each vehicle before they release the products to the market. This is to avoid that any accident to happen in the future. For the second weakness is global hierarchical organization structural limits the regional operations flexibility, which means if there is any problem arise in local level, it will be difficult to approach the upper management to solve the problems. And it is also very difficult that the people to approach the upper management as it is very global. What we can suggest to Toyota is to build a local organizational structure for all regions. This will make the people to be easier to deal with the upper management if there is any problem arise about the products. Besides, they can assign one officer in each region as the representative. This one officer can represent the local level to the upper management. The officer can deal with the upper management regarding the problem that they have in local level. Next is to improve the power of the workforce and diversity in the utilization of human resources, as the Toyota is very determined to produce the quality of the products in terms in their vehicle. Then the Toyota should have the diversity of workforce from different background. This is because different background of the workforce will have different skills that they have. So we suggest that Toyota to recruit workers from different background. Besides, they need to take care of the employees' welfare. This is important because the employees are the important asset for the organization. When the employees' welfare are taken care, then the Toyota can retain the talent of the workforce. Besides, they need to provide a conducive workplace. Conducive workplace is important because if the workplace is not conducive to work, the accidents might happen regularly. To avoid this, the organization must ensure that the workplace is safe for everyone. That is all for my suggestion. Now I will pass this to Nurul Hidayah to conclude our presentation. Thank you.
In conclusion, Toyota has been implementing 5 types of good practices, which are Total Quality Management Concept, ISO certificates, Toyota Production System Six Sigma, Quality Assurance Team, and the last one is Apprenticeship Training. There are few benefits of Toyota Good Practices, which are it can create value for its customers and other stakeholders, which will also allow them to become an organization that involves total business that focuses on meeting customers' expectations and requirements by considering their personal interests. And this will automatically enhance their market image and allow them to be able to compete in today's ultra competitive business world. And for that, thank you for listening.